We'll stay in Cambodia for nearly a month, and now we're off to Thailand for the week. So it's staying at the Hilton in Bangkok, so that should be lots of fun. Amy's very excited but very sleepy.
And tired.
Very tired.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll see when you get off the plane.
See you there in Bangkok. So waiting our luggage. Dahil namin sa Bangkok, Thailand. Daming tao dito. Everyone, so we are here in Hilton, Bangkok, Thailand. So mapay pag-abot na mo gikan sa airport. So mag room tour ta. Coffee maker, then coffee, then tubig. So meron silang toilet dito, guys. Ayan, social lang toilet. So lang living area, then dire ko mag-edit. So TV. Oh, may malaking salamin din pala dyan, oh. So dito tayo sa bedroom. Ayan, may TV. So dito sa ilang toilet and bath. Social ko ayaw eh. Ay, bathtub. Anya ilang shower. Separate ilang shower o ilang toilet. So, ayun lang. Yan lang yung isaglit lang yung sa labas pala. Tignan natin anong view. Okay, so yan yung view dito sa aming room. Ayan, ganda. Hi guys, good morning. Spicy mackerel dipping. Wow. Coffee. Oh my gosh. Stir fried pork. Whoop. Steamed rice. Pork sausage. sausage. Ito yung fruit section. Yes. Ayan. Wow. Okay. Congee with pork. Boiled rice. Wow. Yung dito is yung mga ham. Ayan. Noodle section. So dito yung mga veggies if you want to make salad bar, yung mga sauce, cheese corner. Potato salad, then plain pasta and pesto. What's this? Oh, southern stir-fried chicken, flour soup with vegetables. Hi guys, good morning. So first breakfast in Hilton here in Bangkok. So yan muna yung kinuha ko guys. Yung kay Mark, paubos na. Enjoy. Mukha ko guys, it's so haggard. Alam niyo anong oras ako nagising? Mga 3:45 yata. Then tulog kami kagabi around 9 or 10 PM. So nagutom ako. Sabi ko na kumain tayo ng maaga. Pala ng masukal, pachoko ko. Ito yung may eyes, still sleepy. Good afternoon. 12 o'clock. Bigotam na dyan ko as in, nakaipong na ko. Here's my latte and kay Mark is cappuccino. Ooh. Meron silang free cookies. Good morning everyone. Guys, it's second day namin dito ni Mark sa Bangkok. So si Mark nagbihis pa. Oh, ang ganda dito, char. Ang ganda naman talaga sa Hilton, guys. Oh my gosh. Kahit doon sa Manila, sa Conrad, mas I think mas malaki pala doon. Mas malaki doon sa Conrad. Yung yung kwarto na inanuhan namin ba? Inestihan. So yeah, yung kwarto na to is, hey love, what's the size of this room? So yung size pala ng room namin guys is deluxe king suite. Bali 4 nights lang kami dito, then pupunta na naman kami ng Laos. So yan muna guys, kay medyo gutom na ako. Yung breakfast is until 10 AM lang. Oh, fruits and Danish bread. So that one, guys, is noodles. And then this one is mixed fruits. Pero may papaya to. How's your break? Diyan may sa swimming pool. O na ilang swimming pool there.
Alright folks, last night in Bangkok for us here at the wonderful Hilton Grand Osaki. We're heading up to the exec lounge and we've got a very special thing tonight. We were talking to the manager earlier and they're putting a brand new menu in at the Tapas Vina Bar, the Spanish restaurant here. We've been invited up, we've got a reservation there for 7 o'clock to try the new menu and the new food and give some feedback on what we like and what we don't, and should be a wonderful evening. So look out for pictures of some delicious foods.
Yes.
See you soon.
See you. Pupunta kami ng executive lounge ngayon, guys. 5 p.m. until 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so 7 p.m. Pupunta na naman kami ng tapas. So, alright. See you there. Thank you. Wow. Look at that wine. Very social. Very social. Social kayo, guys. Naghang imnonon dito. Yung mga promo nila. Dito free bread sila dito. What do you call that one?
Anchovy bruschetta.
Anchovy, basta kay na anchovy, guys. Sa ato pa na, guys, ginamos. Ginamos, just like that. Anchovy. So let's eat. Wow. So this one is chicken
With mint yogurt and a tomato salad.
Yeah.
And this is a seafood brioche. So a light bread with seafood and mushroom.
And then this one, because we are a first customer, so they gave us complimentary drinks. And this one, guys, is masarap talaga yan. Ito masarap. Yes. But yeah, it's spicy for me too. Meron pa dito.